Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Pardoville, Ontario, a small community located within the municipality of Chatham-Kent. Pardoville is situated along the historic Talbot Trail, also known as Highway 3, which is a scenic route that stretches across southern Ontario. One of the notable landmarks in Pardoville is the Pardoville United Church. This place of worship is located on Talbot Trail and serves as a focal point for the local community. Pardoville's proximity to other communities within Chatham-Kent offers residents and visitors access to various amenities and attractions. For instance, the town of Blenheim is nearby and hosts the annual Cherry Fest, which has been celebrated since 1963. Additionally, the city of Chatham, located within Chatham-Kent, offers a range of cultural and recreational activities. The Chatham Capitol Theatre, for example, hosts various performances and events throughout the year, contributing to the vibrant arts scene in the region. In summary, Pardoville is a small but historically rich community nestled along the Talbot Trail. The surrounding areas within Chatham-Kent provide additional attractions and amenities, making Pardoville a charming place to visit or call home.